for fun. Family pizza has got to be Shakey's. Tapla po tayo at 12. This is going to be a long afternoon. I don't expect a quick game here. Rasmus got that. Rhea, one-handed set. Sayang, kapos lang si Menezes. You know, when Rhea Limaculangan was starting out with USD, you wouldn't see her gamble without one-handed set.
Yes, but of course, with experience over the years, you know, she has actually become one of the best setters that we have here.
Gusto ko siyang kinukuha sa national team kasi either the first or the second setter. There's the set.
So, ang maganda sa kanya, parang relax na relax siya pa naglalaro no?
And that is comforting for the strikers.
Exactly.
And I mean, the Rasmo ended up skidding on the floor. Lamang uli ang NU, 14-12. Watch this. Urdas, one of the big names of NU. Kuminsan, daliri lang talaga
Basta kung alam mo kasi kung saan mo dadalhin you know? Kahit yata ko lang ang tumama siya pa.
Once you're in the air, the volleyball players have a way of taking a nice Instagram. Para take a snapshot. Instagram now, Audrey Mamon stands up from his seat and says, hey, little alertness now, please. That's Audrey Mamon. He's also threatening to be an analyst here. I don't want him to do that. He would say all kinds of funny things and I'll end up laughing.
Hindi ka na makakapagsalita.
Such a joy to cover, of course. In the meantime, Tunay, huli! Nagkaka-exchange na sa depensa. Tunay. Ano ba? Dalawang second. Perez. Saan nadadali ni Rhea to? Kailangan.
But there was a touch and a point goes to USD.
Rhea knew exactly where to bring the ball. Huh? Watch this in this replay.
Excellent down-the-line hit from Laure.
I knew it was not going to be a quick to Menezes. Alam ko yung takbo niya mukhang fake lang talaga Perez sets. Ooh, bit of a miss hit. And didn't like it. Hindi niya nagustuhan. Ate mo yung simangon niya. Ano pa rin. Second technical. Sana din magsaserve para sa NU. Lamang sila tatlo. 16-13. USD nakahabol na pero hindi na-sustain. Laure. Perez goes the other direction. Joust. Set up job. Major short. Rasmo got to it. Yes, Lastimosa. Off feed. Tinaas ni Perez. Urdas. Sa kabila. Nagkakahulugan. Rhea. Menezes. Got it. Menezes, ang laki ng kanyang ngiti. 16-14. Panoorin nyo to. Yan ang settle. Inaabot lang. Bang! Huwag kakaligtaan ng ating volleyball schedule. GMA News TV, Monday to Friday. Where it all started, of course. Rowie Cantuba, Program Manager, GMA Sports. Happy birthday to you. Merong pizza dito. Mahala ka na. 16-15. Dikit na po ang ating first set. Off the block, and it's outside of De Leon's hands. But, yes. Mali ang turo ng ating red. Rasmus, bad. 18-15 na. Aganon. Team ahead by 3. Serving play, but into the net. 18-16. Magsaserve at 16. Si Tunay ang magsaserve. Si Carmela, siya na ang captain niyo. There was a time she was one of the new faces of the USC team. The serve is into the net. It's too far. And this set becoming a little slippery on the part of USD, although they were all to give chase. Urdas all set to serve. Rhea. Lastimosa looking for an angle, couldn't find it. It's now 2016. Timeout to Audrey Mamon. 11th year where it all started. UST on the receiving end. Set up De Leon, miss hit. But umabot. Perez. Adjust. Regalo, tumaas, buhay pa, Lauren, natawa. Lastimosa, free ball. Pumalo, Jaja. And Jaja found that open spot in the back row. 21-16, watch this. Palaki nung kaya magtayo ng isang mga arena doon sa lugar na 21-16. Labas ang serve. 17-21 ang bilang natin. Malayo-layo na ito, sabi ni Oji Mamon. Pero gawa tayong punto, sabi niya. Outside. Nagkakabigay ng regalo. 22-17. Meantime, Valdez checks in. Pulls out Jaja. This is Gail Rose Valdez. 22-17 count. Yes, Enyo. Now, yes, I was just about to answer my own question. It's now Enyo 2 points away. Oji Mamon will try to freeze them. And we'll listen to their timeout as well. This team, actually.
Yes, and because right now he has a mix then, and not everybody here are seniors.
Good point,
so,
good point.
At some point, you really have to develop that kind of teacher-like attitude.
Can't be all technical. Nakita mo yung faces ng USA, ang haba ng mukha nila. They were so disappointed with the way the set is going. It's now set point for NU. But this Laure, mukhang magaling, ha?
A lot of future. Kasi a future, actually, bright future for this young lady.
Oo. Oh boy, nice block, double block, dalawa bagsak. Not intended, of course, but it happens in volleyball. And the crowd enjoying the moment. Watch this. Bang, bang, bang. This is not bowling. Great effort by Enyo to try to keep it in play, though. 18-24. Pinas. Perez.
Set was not very good.
Ang layo, no?
Laure drop shot.
Si Laure, mukhang ang dami niyang tira. Binimenelis ako na. Bigay na natin. Perez, one-handed set! Double block! Double block!
And we can see here, UST, bantay na si Tintin. They know exactly kanino ibibigay ni Perez ang bola.
And the crowd, they can sense that NU will take this first set, but they're enjoying themselves with every point. 19-24, USC trying to just stay alive here. Perez setting up. Then it's in the back row. Malayo out of reach, and this first set is done to the relief of NU. Ay, sabi ng NU. Salamat naman.
Mapatatagalip eh.
So we'll change sides. We'll get reorganized. Watch the shaky play. The shaky play. Doon natapos po ang first set ng ating bakbakan.